Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to test one ingredient slime recipes. So let's get started. For this slime recipe, you will need shampoo and salt. In a container, add your shampoo. Now add a pinch of salt. Now keep this in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. So guys, the slime is ready and now I'm going to give the slime a little mix. So guys, I'm going to remove the slime from the container and play with it, and also it's not sticking to my hand. So this next slime recipe was suggested by one of our subscribers and she told to mix Fevicol and soil to make slime. Let's see if this recipe works or is it a fail. This recipe is not working, so now I'm going to add another pinch of soil to see if it works. Guys, this recipe is not working, so I'm going to try another method using shaving cream and activator. Now I'm going to add a little bit of shaving cream and give the slime a good mix. Now I'm going to add boric acid activator. This slime is not activating, so now I'm going to add a little bit of more activator. So guys, this recipe worked and the slime is super stretchy. If you all want us to try any other slime recipes, comment down below and we will try on our next video. Also watch the first two videos in the descriptions for more one ingredient slime recipes.